Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sam, and today, guys, we got us a new snowboard rack for our snowmobile. Pretty excited. We've never used one of these. We want to open it up and see what it looks like. All right, guys, welcome back. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, hit that subscription button. Really helps us out. So we have been using our snowmobiles to get us into some of the more remote areas of our property to snowboard down. So Ski-Doo makes their own ski snowboard rack, and you install it here, which has worked. Now, these are really expensive. Some downsides to it is you have to drill through your tunnel, and you can't swap it easy unless you're drilling holes in multiple machines. Kind of annoying. Anyway, well, last weekend we were out riding, Rich and I and Aaron, and well, Richard was doing a little bit of boondocking, which is, you know, turning from side to side, and one of the snowboards caught the snow, something hard under the snow, and it actually ended up breaking the snowmobile, or I mean not the snowmobile, the snowboard, and also it's bent the crap out of my front bracket, which then broke the Linq attachment there as well. So we've been wanting to try something different, a little bit more versatile. So this is the Cheetah factory racing. It's the BOARDSKI bracket, which attaches to the Linq It Up Rack 2.0. Now, this literally just uses the Ski-Doo Linq system, and it links right on. Really nice because I can take it off when I'm just snowmobiling, and then when I need to haul a little bit more stuff, I can then clip it on and then also haul snowboards on each side, and then I can also switch it to a different machine. So we've been waiting forever for this. We ordered this quite some time ago, but it was on back order, so we're going to open this up. Okay, that was a terrible idea. I just got crap all over. All right, guys, so this is the Cheetah Factory Racing. Link in the description if you guys want to pick one of these up. And comes in a box. You got to assemble it. I've heard good things from my other buddies that do a lot of backcountry skiing and so forth. So here's the sides of it. Nice powder coated Cheetah Factory Racing 2.0 Linq It Up, and it's a rack system to hold stuff in and also for snowboarding. All right, so we will put that together here in a second. Let's open this up. Maybe I'll just use a knife this time. I thought it would be funny to open it with a chainsaw. Just because it's sitting there. Who doesn't like chainsaws? All right, so this basically goes over the top. We'll roll in a picture here. And your snowboard sits down in here, your skis. The one downside to this is it only allows for one board versus two on one side. So you can get two of these for the BOARDSKI Bracket 2.0 for each side, which we have done, but we've ordered them and they haven't showed up. We'll try and see if we can fit two in there, but it doesn't look like it's possible. So, all right, guys. So, like I said, this is our first year. We've ridden snowmobiles for a very long time and snowboard for a very long time, but for years we just would carry the snowboards on like our lap, or you know, strap them to the snowmobile, and it's never worked really well. So we did invest into this, which was like $400 or $500, which worked great, and you could put two boards on it, except the fact that you have to drill through your tunnel. Now my tunnel's bent right there, which I'm just gonna have to try to bend it back, which is super annoying. I really love the fact that I had to drill through my tunnel, so I was always looking for better options. So this is the best option I've found thus far. If you guys know of a better you know, mounting system for mounting skis or snowboards to your snowmobile without drilling holes into the tunnel, let me know in the comments below. Also, guys, we'll do a full review on this. So far, everything feels and looks super quality. Like, this is very lightweight, and you know, I'll put some statistics here. This is the large, so they have a small version, a large version, and an extra large. We went with the large, and it works directly, like I said, with the Linq. Let me grab these really quick. There it is right here. So here's the Linq bracket. It goes like this to go in, and then tight. So these are going to actually mount to the, there's holes for them right to the edge of this. Pretty cool, guys. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to get this sucker installed and built up. I don't know quite how to do it. Maybe I'll look at some instructions and go from there. I actually think I'm supposed to put them in loose, now that I think of it. So we're going to loosen these up and then tighten it while it's in here. All right, so it's a pretty tight fit, and it was kind of having a hard time getting all the way down here. So I just loosened the bolts and the nuts around here, and then now I'm going to retighten them. Now that it's sitting in there. All right, guys, so we got the Ski-Doo Linq system here. Let's mount this bad boy up. So they have front and rear. So front's going on. All right, guys, this is it installed. We've got the rack for the snowboard rack here. And this is the large Linq 2.0 from Cheetah Factory Racing. We're gonna go test it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you out on the trail.